Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Steph.
I'm Leo.
I'm Dani, and we are the
Alvarez Sisters. Alright guys, so today, as you can see, we have all this delicious food right in front of us. What we're going to be doing is trying Mexican food. We went to our local spot, our favorite spot. We will link their name down in the description box so you guys can try it out. And yeah, we got, what did we get? We got
street tacos, empanadas, ground beef and chicken, guacamole.
We got chicken, we got beef, and we got chorizo street tacos. So yeah, I'm ready, guys. I haven't eaten all day, so
These are our main meals. We also have snacks over there.
yeah, so we're gonna be trying out
desserts too. So
wow, we're gonna be looking like fat asses because we got some sodas.
Okay, are we ready, ladies?
Yes.
I feel like we're doing.
So yeah, you're probably gonna hear some chisme that you probably don't care about, but yeah, just enjoy it with us.
Right.
So yeah, with that said, guys, let's get on with this video.
Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona.
Arriba yo!
should we do an ASMR? Today we're having street tacos. The tea from yesterday was steaming.
Oh my god, we didn't talk about.
I'm still shook.
Did you guys get my snap? I could not stop laughing. She deleted everything though.
I'm shook. Like, I wonder if you wanted to put it on her Finsta.
Or like, but if she has a Finsta, like what is your life?
I never even had a Finsta.
Neither have I.
Finsta wasn't even a thing.
She's talking about now. Like, they obviously weren't a thing.
I know, but I never had a
she
Finsta.
tries to pull out the old card.
25, but looking fired. So
25 but looking fine.
Period. I hate going into Spanish stores though because they think like we don't speak Spanish.
I don't like that. Look, it's good.
because like the people talk
When you talk. Can you tell them the story of when somebody was talking stuff and then went to cop top?
Oh, okay.
I've heard of
So, like, what, 3 years ago? Like, back in 2014 or something like that.
3.
It's longer.
Yeah.
So, back, like, in 2014, it was, like, Memorial Day, I think, and me and my friend, my sisters were little, so we took them to go get ice cream here, remember? And it was nice, so whatever, like, we were walking around back and forth, like, on the block, and some ladies, they were sitting on a bench, and she was like,
Mira esa niña, ¿cómo la dejaron salir de la casa así?
so I dead ass just like turn around and I'm like,
¿Qué fue lo que dijo?
and she's like,
Yo nada, yo no dije nada.
yo no, yo nada. And then I was like, and then I would think I was just like,
No, ¿qué fue lo que dijo?
And she's like, no, nada.
and then I just like walked away. But like,
She went bad.
yeah, but like people talk mad like for what? This food is really good.
Oh, these tacos, oh my god.
On the real though, how shook are you guys?
Oh, well. Here, I'll just cut this out.
How shook are you guys of how fast their views went up?
In that video, right? You'll love the yoga challenge. Is it because my ass look nice in those leggings? What are we at right now?
Like
600.
something.
And it's so crazy because it like happened literally on the first night.
No, even
The first
Yeah,
night.
even before we did 24 hours.
We had already like 300 views.
Daddy's like, yeah.
They didn't flush the toilet. Well, it was money.
Disgusting!
I'll be singing Shenloy by Shenloy.
I said I'll just get another one.
What did you say?
I'll just buy another one. She was bad. We finished our tacos and empanadas and they were delicioso.
Highly
Yeah,
recommend,
so
y'all.
good.
Yes, thank you to Grill Creations for providing amazing Mexican food.
Yes.
Love you guys!
Ahora
we're going to be trying different Mexican candies, cookies, chips, and drinks. Right? We went to our like
Local
Mexican store that I didn't know was open until
I know, and the girls are like raving about
Yeah,
it.
they were so nice.
cute, and like we found it just brought us back to everything because they had like literally everything.
Yeah, it like brought us back to
they
like,
did.
yeah.
Like the Carmen store.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
like
literally.
that.
Bailemos con el tuca, bailemos con el lazo, bailemos con el tuca, 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 tucanazo.
I'm not gonna be eating all of this stuff because I don't do dairy stuff.
Yeah, she's
allergic.
Yes, so I'm gonna try to do like as much as I can.
Should we start with the lollipop since we all would do?
Can we? Are you sure? Because you told me that I could eat this.
It's because they
I
were in
can't.
Spanish and I couldn't see.
Ooh, I had this before.
Are you sure, sister?
The same. I personally really don't like this.
Paleta de caramel.
No, please don't read it.
It has milk! Sister!
I'm gonna have
It's
it.
sour.
But you have to have it. It's for you.
Ready? One lick like that.
It's sour.
One.
It's sour. Wow, I thought this was gonna be good.
It looks good.
What
Right?
was I doing? Right? I know. The first time that I had it, I was like, bro, that looks so good. I can really,
I'm done.
yeah, no,
That ain't it.
The next one we're gonna have.
oh my gosh, that's the tamarindo, right?
Yes.
Oh, I don't like tamarindo.
You can't smell it. Just
Alright.
grab.
Oh, we're all getting that much.
Oh no, you're not.
I thought we were all gonna grab out of that bit.
Ready?
1, 2.
Ooh, it tastes like booty.
Who took a and did a?
It's not like,
It's not bad.
but it's
But-
not something that I would like. I have to go get this.
Right.
It's not something that I would
Pelon,
eat right.
pelo rico, pelon, pelo rico.
Give me a napkin.
You know the best. All right.
So this was.
It was okay. It's like powder.
It's good though.
Ready?
Well,
It looks like sand.
ready?
no, I'm not ready. Hurry up. Hold up. Okay, ready? Set.
Oh, it's picante.
It's not.
Yeah.
I got sneeze.
Everything has the same taste. Everything has the same taste, though.
Yeah, it does. I've
like
seen
the same
videos like
taste as
these before,
this.
and everyone's like, everything tastes the same, and I was just like, how? And it really does.
It tastes like they all have that powder.
Mm-hmm.
But that powder's good.
This powder? Here you go.
It's too salty.
Yeah, it's like salty.
But that'd be good to put on a lime. Instead of salt.
for a party for Cinco de Mayo.
Anyways, so that was
Or I'll look around the room. I'm scared. Ready?
Yours looks like a brain.
Oh, another thing.
It's like mine.
I fucked with it.
Oh, it looks like the things from Freezing Point, where you get the thing that's.
Oh.
Here, take this.
Yeah, isn't this the same one?
No.
Well, here.
I'm scared. Why does it look like that? This one's bad.
This one's good.
No,
girl.
it
This
sounds
one's
really
good.
good. Not
What?
that.
This one's good.
Oh, hell no.
This one's good.
Hell no.
Can you try this one? No, it's good. I want to try.
Oh.
Come on, give me my back.
I know that one's good.
I know, that one's good. Did y'all just try these?
But is this from
tried them.
Mexico? Or
Yeah,
it's
they
kinda
have it
just
like everywhere.
I like the ice on
This one's really good.
This is really good, guys.
I'm trying. The
These
cherry
are
in the middle.
delicious. Lady fingers,
They're hard though.
they're
I've never seen them.
bomb.
They're so good. I would always eat around this though.
I love that. It's the best part. Oh my god, are these like chicharrones?
It's so good.
Come on.
It's too good, you guys.
I'm thinking of a number from 1 to 10. What is it? Whoever loses has to have something that I
Ready?
Shut
Oh,
up.
no, wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Six, three.
No. 3. 3.
No, I'm not doing it.
You
I'm not
always
doing
lose.
it.
You never
I'm not
does
doing
it.
You have to do it. You have to
But
have
please
some
don't
of
do
this
tama-
with that.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah?
Don't
Okay.
do tamarindo.
You be dirty.
She did it. Ah.
These are good.
They are?
What does it taste like? Chicharron.
They're like chicharrones.
These look like cheese.
Those look so good. I'm so sad I can have those.
Really?
They look so good.
Oh my god, those are so good.
Smell a little.
I'm excited. I'm a little
Do it
nervous.
together. Ready? They're Takis.
Ready?
Taki,
Taki.
taki. Taki taki rumba. It smells like someone farted. What else are we gonna try?
The cookies.
The lady fingers.
And the lady fingers. Don't have it yet.
Oh, this is probably good. This.
Yes, try it.
Do you want some?
Mommy would probably have so much fun eating this with coffee.
I wish they were soft.
They're so good
Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
How do it taste?
They had
They're I mean, we kind of know.
full.
Yeah.
Well,
they're good.
These are good though because I would
They're
have them all the time before. So they are really, really good.
And then we have some chocolate from the bubuelo.
These literally take me back to
El Salvador Key.
It'd be like that.
to get the candy and stuff. I remember mommy and papi wouldn't let us like get like a shitload of candy. Yo, these are big fat pieces of I can't even talk. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. This was
A mukbang dash trying new Mexican food
Yes.
that we've never tried before.
yeah, and also in honor of Cinco de Mayo coming this weekend.
We did Mexican themed.
Also, guys, right now we are close, almost, pretty much super close to hitting
We're
200 subscribers.
Bitch.
We're already at 150. But, like,
We are super close
we're
to
super
2.
close to 200.
And Donnie just said that if we make it to 2, we should do something. And she came up with the idea of
going skydiving. But I don't want to say like skydiving, like jumping off a plane. Like,
you know that thing where you guys
Like-
get in like a tube and they put
Yes.
air and
Like,
you
I don't know.
parachuting.
I'm pretty sure it's skydiving.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Is this skydiving?
I don't know. It sounds too
Bungee
risky.
jump. I think
It's a little too risky.
What is that thing when you like fall out of a?
A plane. That's skydiving.
Yeah, but indoor skydiving.
Indoor.
I think that's
what it is.
the.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure
And
you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
let
to
us
our
know
video.
if you guys have tried any of these candies. We love you guys all so much, and we will see you guys in our next video.
Yes.
Bye.
What am I supposed to do?
Wow.
It's so
Queen. No, do the other one. The other one. The other one. Yes.
Oh, this song makes me want to get on the whole boat. I'll be like,
Yo.
Betty, why are you tasting everything? Put it back.
This ain't going in my mouth. This ain't.
Stop.
Oh,
I'm not having that money though. Fuck you.
no.
I'm not doing it.
Avon, I love you. Or whatever.